Okay, welcome to my auction. This auction is for a K&M. That's a knapp-monarch vintage, probably antique blow dryer. It has a plastic handle and it was probably used for a base at one point. It swivels, as you can see. It has a hot and cold setting and an off setting. The cord is pretty worse for wear, but it actually does work. I'm going to plug it in here so you can hear it. Okay, so I just turned it on, and hopefully you can hear that noise. So again, it does work. It's a pretty awesome old antique hair dryer, and hopefully someone out there wants it. So bid early. Thanks a lot for looking.